So I've got my nightlight helmet here. This is really pretty cool. It's not too large or too small. This is definitely something you could put on a desk or next to a bed for nightlight. Now, it does come with a charging cord, Type C. On the back side here, this is where you're going to go ahead and plug that in to charge it. It does have a little button right here. It's kind of hard to see, but you could use a remote control or this button to go ahead and change the colors. And you can see what the bottom here looks like. Now this is looks like it's acrylic. It takes the light here and shines it through the stem and looks really nice. Now the helmet itself, it's aluminum alloy. This is not plastic. And this is a remote control. This allows you, of course, to turn it on or off. We can dim it down. And unfortunately with my camera, you can't really tell some of the colors. It almost comes out white, but there's a lot of different colors here. We've got red, green, pink, blue. And red, I like that. That's one of my favorite. There's also a button on here to allow to change it from one color to the next. But overall, I think it's really neat. It does kind of look like the Mandalorian helmet. So if you're a Star Wars fan, this is definitely for you. I really like this. Hope you found this review helpful.